What's up, everybody? Mikey G back with another video. Today I'm gonna be changing the fuel filter on this 1984 Cutlass Supreme with a 307 in it, the 5.0. It's really easy to do. You only need two tools, but I only got one of the tools that I need today, but I'm gonna still do it. First of all, you got to take the air cleaner off. All you have to do is spin that off and take that off. But I'm gonna take this plug off right here and take this. This thing twists out. You keep twisting it back and forth and it will come out. The vacuum. Just get that out of the way for right now. Give you a little bit more space. I'll take this off too. Get that out of the way. It'd be nice if I could get this thing off. Oh, it does come off. Alright. That's good. Like I said, I don't have the right tool, but I'm going to use these vice grips to get the, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this big, whatever it is, fuel filter housing, put that on there tight, loosen this up, I don't know what it does. Notice wires in the way. But yeah, I got that, broke that loose. Just take it off. I want to unplug it from there, so hopefully you can see it. Car's gonna be smelling like gas again. When I first bought the car, this thing was leaking, smelling gas for days. But that came out. Just try to move that out of the way. Take this thing off. I already changed this already, but since the car been sitting for so long, and it was the new fuel filter was so cheap, might as well do it again. A lot of gas in there, but yeah, that's it right there. Get the new one. You want the hole facing the hole in the back right there. Make sure nothing's in there, and that's it. Just put it back. Wish I had not broke my tripod. You probably would be able to see what I'm doing way better if the damn tripod wasn't broken. But screw that back on. the vice grips, tighten that up. Alright, that's tight. Put this the line back in there. .5/8 wrench to tighten that up. I don't know what size the other one is. I just know I don't have that tool on me at this time. So that's why I use the vice grips. But it's getting the job done, and that's all that matters. Alright, nice and tight. We're gonna put this thing back in there, wiggle it back in there, give it some taps. Alright, plug this wire back in. Well, put this hose on first. That's back. This, I don't know what this goes to, but it wasn't plugged in to nowhere, I guess. I don't know what that's for, but plug that plug back in right here. Put this, wiggle this thing back in. And put the air cleaner back on. That hole's back in. Air cleaner goes back in. The filter. The wing nut back on. And we're done. That's all you need to do to change your fuel filter and on a 307 engine Oldsmobile on my 1984 Color Supreme.